Oh shit.
Nothing in.
Oh god damn.
Two more. Sheriff down. One more. Nice.
Spike down mid.
Watch out, elbow.
Spike spotted mid.
No, no, nobody elbow. I cleared elbow.
One enemy remaining.
What the fuck?
Oh, stop!
Sorry.
But that does not compute.
Nice. Yeah, this is exactly what I needed
Keep
from
the
you.
momentum.
This is exactly what I needed. Don't stop
Oh,
now.
Nobody
So
get
last
happy.
game. Our jet
Thrifty
was
is what I'm
four
about to hear next.
kills around,
Thrifty.
please.
Thrifty.
Wait, is that birthday boy? Fuck your birthday.
Wait, what?
Wait, who is it? Whose birthday is it?
Wait. Who's birthday boy? Wait, what?
Wait. Impossible. I've been fodder viewing FNS's optic gameplay. Give me one.
Wait,
You
wait.
really want to lose?
Wait, whose birthday is it? You piece of shit.
It was Jet's birthday like about a month ago, about a week ago.
No, it was June 30th. That was like
One surprise.
that was like
The
6
si-
months.
Yo! They bought. Drop this wall, drop this wall.
Thrifty.
Dropping wall.
Fuck, man! Oh, I got his ass.
Two.
Cam.
Cypher. Cam.
I can't. We have to run down mid. I just
Spike
can't.
down A.
Yeah, yeah, fuck it, let's go.
Thrifty.
Fuck it, run it down. Let's go.
One hole.
He's gonna grab the goal.
For sure? I'm pushing A with you.
One's deep
Oh,
cave, one's deep
please,
cave.
yes!
One enemy remaining.
Okay, keep
Oh
flying.
my god, are we all doing
Turret for you, turret for you.
Who could have predicted
Yo,
this?
he dinked me, dude.
Right, I did.
Strawberry
Spectre
ice
is hitting his
cream.
toes. What the fuck?
What operator skins you got?
Wait, is this Jet? Who the fuck is this
Right,
Jet?
gun-
The jet. I need the name.
Default skin.
I thought it
It's
was
399.
not. It wasn't
You want it?
Okino. It was fuck.
Yeah.
Who the fuck
I'll
was the other
take it,
guy?
brother.
So what are we thinking? Thinking
I'm
they're
Ion.
probably-
Andrew.
On their part.
No.
Silver, can I get you sheriff?
Is that who it is?
Yeah.
Gen Z? It's actually Gen Z. I forgot. Fuck, there was another like cracked out Jet kid that used to play range all the
Mid?
time.
Looks like they're coming mid.
My
Flash.
Dropping wall.
Spike down mid.
Oh! Running, gunning!
145.
Bad.
I'm capped.
Wait, what?
One out B, one out B,
1B,
one out
1B,
B.
1B,
Don't-
LB.
You'll kill him, you'll kill him.
Mid door, mid door, mid door.
One enemy remaining.
Doors. Could have an
No.
up,
Wait for
could
the
have an up.
conductors, right?
Wait, no
Have
up,
an
no
up,
up,
Wait,
no up.
bottom mid.
Bottom mid, bottom mid! What the? These guys are hiding in their spawn!
sentry.
Oh my god, I threw a fucking great dart.
Poison orb emitting.
Like, fuck, it looks like Pujon's playing right now. Okay, well.
Poison's off.
Nice.
Reina has not left the T
my
spawn
op, the
area.
door is- No!
I evaluated the strategy.
Wait, did you have a Vando and you threw it for another Vando?
It was a specter.
Oh, okay. Okay, I was about to flame you
Can I
so
get that
hard.
rogue? Upgrade?
Yeah, you can. But...
Yeah, I'm gonna try some crazy shit and push halls.
They camp here when you go away.
I'm not pushing
You want
halls.
something crazy? I hold,
Knife
I
and
hold your
B.
window, you swing this? Or no?
I got you, go.
Oh, okay, you're gonna hold it for me? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Shutting them down.
Alright, I'm pushing B, friends.
Oh, that ain't B.
Could be mid.
It's not B, it's not. No! What a rat!
Oh
Giving a
no.
pulse.
Another Vando, another Vando.
Wall up. I'm drop wall. Call for it.
Stop, stop.
Flash.
Just gonna stay.
Stop away.
Flashbang.
Nova Jet A. That's a terrible peek, but why do I do it? There's a guardian down alpha.
Lock in sight.
The doors.
Enemy down.
There's two in main. Nova was there
Nice.
as well.
Can you
Nova
live?
was
Can you
there.
live?
Better?
What the fuck?
Oh, okay, yeah, she over
Last player standing.
Wait, she's fucking cheating!
Spike planted.
Swarm grenade out.
You're so mad.
Placing swarm grenade.
I know I'm pissed.
Swarm grenade out.
It's got
Turn
mauled.
out.
saw
God,
him
this
flying.
guy's losing to a turret.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
On me. Oh my god.
Are you kidding me right now? This guy's mid-sight, man.
Bragging rights if you get
Serious
first
right
dibs.
now?
Thrifty, thrifty,
A little bit now.
thrifty.
Like, they're gonna get like 9 rounds in a row, and then 4.
Do you want an up?
Need a drop.
My skin or your skin?
Corner.
Oh no.
40,
oh, no.
40. This is so boring. This is pathetic by these people. I can't. This is pathetic.
Is door closed or open?
Open, open.
Door is open. No,
They're
I don't
both
think
just
he
up
crossed
there.
yet.
I'm
But
just, it's just so.
This is so fucked, bro.
It's just
30
so-
seconds
they have
left.
vandals.
I
They're
know
gonna go A, they're gonna go A, they're gonna go A, they're gonna go A, they're gonna go
Oh.
A together. 20 seconds, they have to.
Flash.
Welcome to
Flashbang.
Oh god.
Okay, man.
Gun here.
Okay.
They might have a triple
Spike
wire.
planted.
This
Wait,
fucking
they ulted
loser
stairs.
shit, bro.
A very shit ult. Don't put up your wall.
Bomb is planted here.
Last player standing.
Nice try.
One is stairs, one is stairs.
On stairs, Cypher 42.
Suppressing. One suppressed.
One enemy remaining.
I'm busy.
They even shit.
Thrifty.
Nice
That's
try.
fucking pathetic, man. This is pathetic.
Pathetic, I tell you. Pathetic.
Everyone makes fun.
Keep
of
picking us,
jealous
LMFAO.
community.
Keep picking us.
Oh, FNS, I can buy you.
Huh?
Yeah, I can buy you. You know, a gun.
Thanks, man.
Keep peeking us, they said. They're so lucky
You
I'm
got
on
this?
23 hours of fucking Valorant.
It's down. Guns up. Get
Fucking
dead.
loser ass kid. Like what?
Shutting them down. Flashbang. Two
I
suppressed.
yellow. Viper's B. Viper B alone.
He played
Running in.
anti.
He's in alone. Wait, that's not him. Viper B. Viper B. They're not in. They left. They left. It's just Viper. B
You
side.
go elbow. Cypher could be a Paul.
One
Yeah.
enemy remaining.
Nice. Bomb down. Viper's
Spike
still B
down.
side.
Attacker
He was B
spawn.
side. Viper. T spawn B side. Nice,
I
guys.
survived much worse than you.
You're not even close to the bomb.
Bro,
Don't
it-
die. If you need help
These guys are
figuring
trying to
out
win.
how, just ask.
Doesn't look like it.
Keep picking us, dude.
I'm
gonna-
That's something.
I'm gonna learn
bad.
about-
Can I leave you this round since you have your ult? You can play with
Yeah,
it.
go for it. It's fine.
Okay.
I'm
Can I
gonna
play-
turret this shit.
I feel like it's an A rush and I'll ult the fuck out
We
of
Yeah.
it.
lost.
Bye.
Call if they're
Right
shot.
here.
Please
I'm a
call.
knife B. I have ult if they come
Get
in.
out of my way.
Shutting them down.
Last mid.
Dark mid, dark mid.
Can we fight mid? Come mid doors, come mid doors, come
suppressed.
mid doors. Come fight this.
I can drone for you maybe.
Yeah, Jet has no knife.
Flash.
Be elbow.
Come. No knives yet. Behind castle has knives.
Bottom mid.
Oh. No knives.
Perfect.
Cypher was.
Dude. Dude, both there. Both bottom mid.
One enemy remaining.
I got him.
Are you on fucking drugs, kid? Indoors.
Keep walking. I don't know if he's through. Planning. His ult.
Spike planted.
There's no about me, just wait.
Look at the way this Jet's aiming. How are we supposed to compete with this? 23 hours into the stream.
I don't know what to
Whoa.
say.
Last player
Oh,
standing.
he's backside. He's low though.
Nice! Jet. Thank you for carry, by the way. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Add me after.
Whatever happens, don't stop. Fuck.
Definitely add me there.
I don't know, definitely add me. I'm about I'm 23 hours, 49 minutes into my
Uh-huh.
stream, and I very much
You can
appreciate
trust
this
my
carry.
box. Can I get this?
Anyone have funds to
Thanks.
You've been streaming for 23 hours?
Yes.
Unfortunately, we have.
Bro, why, man?
I wanna
Honestly,
keep my
no reason.
motivation
I
up
made
to
no money
top
today.
drag. If-
I made no money today.
There's no real reason for it.
I'm walling your mid. Cam can still be cam though. What?
stay safe. Here.
I'm gonna, I guess. Are you pushing?
Yeah.
Suppress it.
Get in my way.
Heavy mid again.
Not a dart window because this
Cypher.
rat plays in window forever.
Team be up mid.
Wait, Cypher's here near
They
me.
smoke mid doors.
I'll watch your mid.
Watch behind you, Sova. You can leave me.
He's watching.
What? It dashed me forward. What the fuck?
Turrets destroyed.
One coming up mid. Maybe he's in our nest. KO, careful.
I have it. They're running up tunnel.
Yep.
Wait, one window.
Hello.
That is
Spike
unlucky.
down mid.
You should
Viper's
run,
one
John.
should be.
Target 86.
God, 23 hours.
Flash.
Yeah. And one's
Stop
B
crying.
side. Yeah,
I
Cypher was
know
B side somewhere.
exactly where.
Uh,
Hold it
he's
all
elbow.
though.
One suppressed.
One enemy remaining.
It was window.
Let's fucking go, Nora. That's what I'm fucking talking about.
Nice
Fucking
flash.
go.
7 to 2?
Hey, stop fucking trying, huh?
Yeah, let's stop.
They're rushing it. Just Sake, they're rushing
T1
it. they're rushing
NXD
it.
think the 8 months
Yeah,
will
that's
come
what I
back.
mean. I'm leaving. I think.
No, don't
You
leave.
can leave.
Oh, don't leave.
I don't
Taking
want to know if you
flicks,
keep
I'm out.
playing me keep it on the low. Oh,
What?
Oh yeah,
Good
they
one.
can do that.
My wall's awful. Careful.
I like that one.
What the fuck is that wall? What is that supposed to do?
I think I'm drunk.
Right here.
Two of us are 23 hours into Valorant streaming, and one of us is drunk. This is great.
One suppressed.
Pause one. Wall up. Wall down.
I tried to
Go
suck.
crazy,
I tried to suck like I'm the Reyna. So I'll be straight with you. They can have
One
me.
enemy remaining. Spike down A.
Throwing charge.
Embarrassing.
What? What was that tag?
It exploded on impact. Bro. You see that?
There's old fighters. Sometimes old ways are best.
Yeah.
What the?
Can we like line up somewhere with all 5 players?
No. Do you want this win or do you want content?
I'm doing it, I'm rushing.
I don't care. I don't care
Bro,
anymore.
He's been
I
fucking streaming
win.
for
I've
24
lost enough
hours. I
today
think
for
he
it to
wants
not matter.
content. Oh no.
Anything to keep him away.
Are you guys all Radiant or Immortal? Which one?
I'm immortal.
Who needs the win? Oh, so you need
I
the win.
need the win, but I don't really care.
I'm rushing.
Go for your content. You're better.
Shut them down.
Sorry, see you guys.
Yeah, guys.
Nice knowing you, Sam.
No, no, no! The dart! You, John. Oh my
You know what I mean,
god!
Sam? You know what I mean?
You're
bro?
right!
Content, baby,
One
content.
enemy remaining.
They darted.
Fuck.
Flashing
I'm
in
in
main
flow
in front
state
of
right
you.
now.
Flashbang.
Speaking.
Full blind,
Flash
full
your
blind, full blind.
thing.
I'm flashing again.
Wait, chill. You guys don't have to peek. No, you guys don't have to peek.
Shut the fuck up!
You don't-
Shut the fuck. Fuck!
Jumping wall.
Fucking brain dead.
Yo, listen to me very, very carefully. Som. Yeah. You are
Last year when you were
bad,
blaming
Sam.
For the switch.
I had a lineup.
Bro, you didn't break my dart for me?
No, I didn't break it for myself either. I was also a victim.
Oh, God,
Why are
that's
you
the
playing the
thing.
victim? I was also the victim.
Is someone gonna
How
walk
could
on
there
over
be
and,
so
like,
many
go be a
victims?
liberal? Double ult, right?
Call me Baby Bay. Or Baby J, sorry.
I got us.
Show you guys something, some sauce. I've been cooking this up in the lab.
Suppressing.
Hey, going mid again.
Grenade out. Flashbang.
The eyes are down.
I'm on HP.
You guys see that? That's sauce right there.
Door.
He thinks it's a turret, but it's me.
Is that door or halls?
Welcome to my world.
One
That
enemy
fight
remaining.
is not so good.
You know what I mean though? It's a turret, but it's me.
Switching sides.
Yeah, I actually fuck with Hunter. I don't know why you're talking shit about
What is the
Baby
play
J.
here?
That's my dog, what do you
Do
mean?
like an old
Alright.
optic strat or something?
What's the plan?
Old optic strat, bro.
optic
I'm on
strat.
NRG
He's
now.
on
Talk about
NRG now.
NRG, bro.
Like a champions win
I'll
strat?
call it.
Champions
So-
win strat?
Called
Yeah,
NRG
go
losers.
Fair falls. Silva,
Yeah,
dark
you-
mid,
yeah,
and then
you go
reset
kill.
out main.
Yay, Jet, go kill.
Yeah, go
Oh.
kill.
Alright, what are we doing? We're going halls?
I'm gonna need some words of encouragement.
I'm going halls. I'm turreting up mid. Or up halls.
How many? Where am I darting? Hello? Where?
Rogue,
mid,
your mic
top
just
mid.
stopped working.
Okay, darting top mid. Why am I doing
Well.
this? I don't understand. Darting
Jet
top
go
mid
kill.
and then what? Going up mid? Alright.
Yeah, then we go A.
Do you like my eggs?
mid,
I
and
actually
then
don't like
same
eggs.
time.
Yeah, John don't fuck with
Spike
that.
retrieved.
We're in trouble.
The power.
Net
I'm
deployed.
opening door. I'm opening door.
Open door, go B. Run B, run B, run B. Run B.
This strat is insane. I'm flashing over B, Jack. Flashing over B. He's blind. Oh my god, he's full blind. Oh my god.
Wait.
What? There's two. Window. Window. Jumped out.
Playing time.
He's like by mid. In mid.
One time,
Both in
one
mid.
time.
Both in mid. One went elbow.
Playing time. playing
Elbow.
time.
Elbow.
Wait, elbow.
I think. I could be wrong. I just want to be careful.
Not planning for you. Planning for nest. I have your elbow.
Suppressing.
You sit there. Let me play.
Oh my god.
One enemy
God,
remaining.
bro.
Nice.
Oh my god.
It's all good.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Nice! Holy fuck,
Remember
Sam. We're
yells
5
out,
minutes
you're
away from
so
24, guys.
excited.
5 minutes away.
Do we win before the
And then you
24
go
or
to
after?
sleep or you still go?
Take our
Because-
time.
Wait,
No, I
Rogue,
actually gotta eat
can you
first. I
talk
gotta
again?
shower.
Yeah, what's up? Hello?
Rogue. I need Rogue to talk.
Rogue.
What's
Rogue,
up?
hello.
What's up?
Rogue,
What up?
hello?
Wait, Vic, I hear it.
Hello? Rogue.
Holy fuck, I
This
hear
guy's a
it.
bad actor. That's
Hello?
Wait, John, when Rogue, do you hear
don't
yells
hear anything.
out?
You're
You
trying to
remember
A.
from CS
kill
LG?
them.
Yes,
You hear
kind of.
it?
Going down
That's
hall.
what
Kind
Vic
of,
just
yeah.
came in my chat and said.
You're giving
I hear
permission.
it.
You're too
Vic
bad.
is here?
Deployed.
Yeah, he's
Oh,
in my
yo,
chat.
we're in I completely forgot we're in another day.
Molly.
Suppress.
Get him.
Charge.
Double wall. Go crazy. One more.
Done.
Oh.
Close state.
Oh,
Close
oh
state.
no, I have a drone.
I don't know what I'm doing. It's close state.
Nice smoke.
Last
You
player
get-
standing.
Did you guys see that entry pathing? So what I did there
Good
was
shit.
What are you doing, Viper? Why are you swinging, man?
Are you fucked, Lux? We had some
have a
good
fucking
games
baby.
early on, and then I got sleepy.
Why are we planning here though?
Who planted that?
Where the fuck do
Think
you
I
want
have
me to
lineups for
plant?
that?
Is everyone's tech still working?
Where did you want me to plant
Double-check
default? Say don't plant there, plant default. Wall was down.
Whoa,
I had no other
whoa.
way to.
Wait, what was that? Like, why are you mocking the
Wait,
voice?
can I laugh at that?
Yo.
That's kind of fucked up, actually.
That was weird. That was very strange,
can I
and you should
laugh
say
at
sorry.
I mean, I'm not going to because I didn't do anything wrong. But hey,
I'm gonna walk up elbow here. I don't want to talk to you anymore.
okay, I'm gonna dart elbow so they know that you're elbow.
All good. You dart? Yep. Actually, cool.
We can't.
I'm not darting.
I'm not laughing.
Shutting them down.
They're walking down there.
Grenade.
I knew it. I saw it coming. For some reason, it was too silent. You fucker. Oh.
Oh fuck!
Let's try. Let's see what happens.
You're brain dead.
Hit Sova on one
You're
target.
actually brain dead.
I have time.
Bro!
Spike down B.
So good.
There.
What should I say?
Last player standing.
Dude, I almost had you.
Flawless.
I can't have lost it. I've officially lost my fucking mind. Man, flashback and play.
Watch them run when lit by my sonar.
You just go A here. Feel like there is shit.
Down. Can we just?
Kill him.
Next time, kill me.
Is that what you want to say?
Let's go, let's go. I'm a
Go
knife
down halls
close.
as well, or down halls. You go kill him.
We've done it, chat. We've done it.
Oh, interesting wall.
Shutting them down.
Brony.
Wall up.
Oh, I need that. KO. Oh,
Ahead.
thank you.
Flank
Oh,
him.
what the
Look,
fuck
hole.
is that dart?
What's this?
That's a wall.
Oh my god, he has the whole fucking.
Bro, he's pushed.
Spike down A.
Enemy spotted. A.
Oh fuck.
Wait.
Enemy spotted.
Oh, don't wait. Just get out of there. Can you get out of there? No.
We're
No.
doing it. We're doing it. 9, 8, 7,
One
6.
enemy remaining.
It's like New
Close,
Year's.
close.
5,
What the
4,
fuck?
3,
Kobe.
2, 1.
Easy.
You already hit 24, John?
Happy New Year, motherfuckers.
That's a whole setup there. You know if you left?
Yeah, I think it's on side.
I
I,
might as well just leave the
I'm
game.
asking for
I'm
the
gonna
answer.
stay
It's not-
mid. You go B.
Bro, it's
I have
not
a
20
minute.
fucking questions, bro. Just
30
plant the bomb.
seconds left.
What's it planning for?
Happy New Year, guys. We did it. Let's fucking go,
You will
team.
not
That's what I'm talking about.
He almost shot
Let
my
me
arm
see.
off.
Can you pinpoint? Can you geolocate it for me? I
Match
don't
point.
fucking know, man.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Your mod is
No
harassing
more.
some
No,
guy
he just wants
named
good comms, bro. That's all he's
Disco.
saying.
Wrong guy, bro.
I
Can
don't
you
wanna-
drop or
Was-
no?
was
Can you
a
drop?
good
Anyone
luck.
drop or no? Yeah, I'll take like a little
I'll
gun.
give you a bulldog.
11, 11,
I
11.
appreciate
I'm
that.
not
Yeah,
gonna
listen,
kill
I'm
him,
gonna
I'm
ult,
not
I'm
gonna
gonna ult
kill
it.
him,
Don't
I'm
answer
not
at
gonna
all.
die,
Don't
I'm
give me
not
an
gonna
I
go for an
think.
assist.
This is insolvent.
Oh, 24-hour stream, ladies and gentlemen. We fucking done it. We got to 1,200 fucking subs. We did that. What can't we do out here?
Bruce Lee, is that you, bro?
You don't have all good luck.
I swear that's racist, but I can't tell right now.
Don't have walls. It's not,
It's not racist, like racial.
IP.
You know, that kid just got sent straight to Lumbridge.
Yo, you blind Jet or no?
Yeah. Well, I killed him. You blind both of us, so it's okay.
One enemy remaining.
I'm just fucking with him.
Yeah.
Hey, little buddy, we did it.
What are we thinking here?
We did it, John! 24
We did it! Happy New Year!
hours!
Attackers win.
GG.
Let's go.
Happy
GG,
New Year,
everyone.
buddy. It's time to go to bed. You go, boo, boo, boo.
Tippers, thank you for 11 months. Okay, Kimchi Man, thank you for the
Okay.
prime. Welcome, welcome.
Go, go, go.
Nice, John! 24 hours!
What was that?
Was what? Nice. Wait, it was Papega.